Jay Haynes with the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show how to do this smooth spin transition in HitFilm.
I've done this effect in the past using a composite shot, but with the ability to add a grade layer to the editor timeline, this is now possible without needing to add a composite shot. Start by placing the two clips that you want to transition on the editor timeline. Make sure they're adjoined. Place a grade layer above the transition point and make it 1/3 of a second. In this example, since the project file is set to 24 frames per second, I'll make this 8 frames long. Under the Effects tab, find the Perspective Warp effect and drag it onto the grade layer. Move the playhead to the beginning of the transition and set a keyframe for both the roll and z-distance properties. Now move the playhead to the middle and set the z-distance to 0.5. Finally, move to the end and set the roll to 360 and the z-distance back to 1. Highlight all of the keyframes and change them to manual Bezier. Let's add a fake motion blur to improve the look. Under the Effects tab, find the Radial Blur effect and drag it onto the grade layer. Move the playhead to the beginning of the transition and set a keyframe on the angle property. Make sure it's set to 0. Now move to the end and do the same. Finally, move to the middle and set the angle property to about 15. Again, highlight all 3 keyframes and change them to manual Bezier. That's it! To use this transition multiple times, simply copy the transition grade layer and place it elsewhere on the editor timeline. I'm Jay Haynes with the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Please do me a favor and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.